Hello everyone, good morning. Nikhil this side from Rajalakshmi Solution. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will see how to create a custom field in Bitrix24 CRM. For that, we need to open the CRM setting first. I have already opened the CRM setting, and you can find the forms and report setting over here. Just then you can just click on the custom fields button. Just click on that for custom fields option. Okay, you can find the section over here, add field. Just click on that add field. Okay. After that, you can find the name of the field which you want to create. Just type Nikhil demo as per the requirement in time and add a custom field. Just select the string field type and save it. Okay. You can see we have successfully created a customized field in a CRM. So thank you for watching this video. If this video is find helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.